Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 2nd July and we are currently in New York session over here. So let's get started. So yesterday was a pretty good day and secured good profits yesterday. So yeah, that's the okay. So GBPJPY is currently moving really fast right now, as I can see, and and I think yeah. So 5-minute candle just closed bearish over here, and I think it should be continue moving down. But the thing is, the move have already took place at this point. Already the moves has been done. So let's just do one thing here. Let's just go to 30 minutes and let's see how the 30-minute candle is printing. Yeah, the 30-minute candle, this 30-minute candle just broke the low here, now moving all the way down, and I think, let's see, 15 minutes looks good, 1 hour looks good, but the thing is, there is one thing here. We don't know whether this candle will be going all the way down or not, but I think it should be going all the way down, but really don't know, because if I see 15 minutes, then the market is dropping from here, right? So it really needs to retrace back and then go down. So if that happens, then we will be having a really good trade, and yeah, so that will be pushing the price really down. So because the thing is, right now the market can really go down to tap this level over here, which can be the potential target, but the thing is, I really don't think so that it will be happening here, because the market is already falling. Look at this move over here. The market was falling hard, very fast here at this point, but it did rejected this area from the left, and it retraced back and then it went down. So that's the same thing I'm expecting to happen here, because the market has already gone down here in the from London session over here, and now it should just retrace a little bit and then go down, but it can really also, the second thing is that it can really go down to this level. If that happens, then it's alright, no problem. This trade, we will be missing this trade, so yeah. Hey PS Gore, how are you? PS Gore, yesterday I tried to record another lesson and update the website, but due to some reasons, as you know, that construction is going on here, so I was not able to use the computer. So but today's the carpenter will be going soon, and I'll be updating the website today, and that's something which will be happening today only. So just after few hours it will be updated. This was a pretty good move over here. Let's see the 4 hour. I think the 4 hour time frame will be an interesting time frame here. The thing is, this was the trade here when this candle broke the low. This was the trade, and look, all the candles just went all the way down. Was a good trade over here, but anyways, no problem. So this is our pre-NY here. This is NY open. This is NYSE open. Okay, so let's mark our clean ranges over here and see how this will be going. Yeah, I think this is a clean range here from this point to this point. So I'm expecting a candle to really move up. Basically it should just retrace back and then go down, even though it will be happening in 30 minutes, 5 minutes, any time frame. but it has to really retrace back. That's what I think. So I think we will be seeing some sort of retracement in the 5 minutes. Let's see here. Let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour is quite interesting here, because the thing is, uh, the candle is now going down, but if we look on the left, then whenever candles went down from this area, it always rejected, and then it retraced back and close above the support over here. So the way it's moving now, it's rejecting that area. That's good. And let's just remove everything from here. Okay, this is good, looks good. So let's see weekly. Weekly is coming all the way down, and daily is also going down. Today daily candle just broke the low of the yesterday candle, and our 4 is also bearish. So this can be the potential target here. The market is coming down from this point. I think this point, yes, this is the point over here, and the market is coming down right now. So what I can see here is that maybe this is a symmetrical completion move here, because look at this move happening. It went up, came down, created a U, again up, and now it's going down. So I think if G just starts to go down, then it will be going down to at least 35 pips. So yes, let's see with time we will be 15 minutes is retracing all the way back. 5 minutes here. 5-minute candle is the previous 5-minute candle just closed like a huge rejection candle, and I really don't know whether it will be going up from here or not. No PS Gore, no trade yet, just sitting here. Look, oops, this is another account. Yeah, this, look, no trades right now, just waiting. Okay, I think now it makes sense here why it's rejecting this area, because the trend line is coming from the left, and now the previous candle rejected this area. Now I think the current candle also can reject the area and can reverse to go up to test this high, sorry, test the resistance, and then move down. But if this current candle break this low over here, then it should be going all the way down. So let's just calculate this thing over here. So the range will be around 11 pips, stops will also 10 pips. Okay, let's see, 30 minutes is having 16 minutes left. That means another 15-minute candle is there in the 30-minute candle, and in 1 hour candle also. Look, 1 hour is just came down, and I really think that it should be retracing back, and then it should be coming down. But let's see. I'm not gonna take the trade just like that. I'll wait. So right now more than 2 hours left here for the current 4-hour candle to close, and and yeah, and it looks good over here. Yeah, this is moving inside the channel. The market has to reject this area. Yeah, the candle just closed inside the trend line right now, and and I think if the current 5-minute candle just breaks the high over here, then it can really go up. But the previous candle closed bearish, and right now the candle is struggling to go down. So if there is volume, then it will be breaking the low and then it will be going down. But I will not be able to take that trade at that point, so I'll just wait here. Even though I missed this trade, it's alright, but I don't want to lose just like that. I really don't want to lose here because I'm really up for the week. And let's see, let's check this week trades from Monday 28 till today. Let's see here. Yeah, so these were the trades I took this week, and yeah, it's really good. It's almost 21%, 21%. Yes. So if I miss this trade, then it's alright. Guys, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so this is nice over here. it it just rejected the same area, and now it's rejecting the upper area as well. So that means the bearish pressure is still there in the market. Let's just check 30 minutes over here. Okay, so if we talk about the 30 minutes, let's just remove everything from the graph and reanalyze the market. So if I talk about 30 minutes over here, then let's just draw a few lines over here. uh, Actually, okay, and let's draw another one. Yes. So right now the market scenario is like this in 30 minutes, and if we talk about the 1 hour, then let's stretch this line here. Okay, so guys, look, right now the market is really at the strong level over here, and I really don't know whether it will be rejecting this area or accepting this area, because this is a really strong zone, I would say, because as you can see, in the past the market always rejected this area and went up. It rejected here and went all the way up to 130 pips. So now if it accepts this price and starts to go down below this trend line over here, then I think that will open the doors for us to hold the trades till this price over here. So I'll be very careful here today. Yeah, so the candles are really rejecting. Now it's going up, so this is a really good sign here. If we look at the 15 minutes, 15 minutes is going all the way up. So the thing is, and the good thing is, that if the next 15-minute candle just turns back and break the low of this 15-minute candle over here, then it will be going all the way down. So I'll just wait here. Still got 4 minutes left, and after 4 minutes 1 hour will be closing, 30 minutes will be closing, 15 minutes will be closing, and this 1 hour will be closing with a good rejection over here, and then the next one I can just go up, create a wick and fill the wick and go down. So let's see how the market will be moving here, and let's see if we have some more information available. High USD news at 6 p.m. Yes, PS Go, today's non-farm payrolls. Let's open those news over here and see. Yeah. So this is the news today, non-farm payrolls, and market will be really moving insanely here. We already know that USD is already getting stronger day by day. So if USD gets stronger today also, then I don't know. Then the market will be moving insanely, because already it will be, pushing the trend. It will be pushing the trend, and when the market pushes the trend, oh, look at this over here. Candle just came all the way down. 2 seconds remaining here. Oh, it just closed bearish. I wasn't expecting it to close bearish, but it just closed bearish. So I'll still wait here. I won't be executing any trade, even though if it breaks the low over here. I'm really not expecting the market to go more down from here, because look at this move. This move was happening from here, right? So if we calculate the range of the move, then it's around 29 pips, and earlier also it just moved same. So again it moved 29 pip down, and now it can retrace back, and then it will be moving down. That's what I think. So that's why we really need to wait here, because we don't know whether the market will be really going down or rejecting the area and go up. And let's see. So supposingly if it goes down to break this low, that means it will be breaking the trend line, and let's see here, and that means this will be a liquidity wick, and breaking the low will take the price down. 1 hour, yes, same thing will be there in 1 hour also. Okay, so I think good sells will be at 153.080. if the market goes this way, this price, and then it can go really down. Let's see here, 4 hour will be coming all the way down at that point. So right now the market is rejecting this area. That's a really good sign here because I won't be feeling very comfortable if the price just go all the way down and starts going all the way down, because look, the market has already made its move here. The moves has already been done in the market. So I really don't know. Hello Priyanka Seth, how are you? So I think, yeah, now it's moving up finally. It should create something. It should tap the trend line over here, and then it can go down, do something like that. Because if it just starts to go straight down, then I will be I'll be happy to miss that trade, because what if the market just break the lows and then starts to reverse back? What if that happens? If that happens, then you will be losing money because you had FOMO. Okay, so it's about to break the high, and once the high gets break, it will be moving up. Yes. I will be trading the news today also. So, but I'm not sure. I'm not really sure here that I will be trading the news or not, because I'm already happy with my my weekly results here, and I just don't wanna get risk on that. So this is this week's results over here for one account. This is another account. This is smaller account here. So really happy with the results over here. So now it's just a matter of time here. I really want one 15-minute candle to close bullish, so that the next candle can break the low of that 15-minute candle which closes bullish. Because if that setup forms, then it will be a high probability setup. Yes. As the news approaching near, you know, the market will start to, consolidate, and we will be getting out of volume in the market, because the news which is about to come is the most important news of the month, and it can really affect all the pairs here, all the currency pairs. So guys, if you can send me a chart which you analyzed, which you analyzed on TradingView or somewhere, then just send me the link here. I'm gonna review them, because I also need to make sure that you guys are learning good. So this is for everybody who is on my streams right now and come daily to join my streams, because if you don't send me the charts and just copy my trades every day, then trust me guys, you won't be reaching anywhere. because because it's good that you're making profits, I'm happy for you, but on the other hand, I really want you guys to be independent. So that's why if you can just send me a chart, because I only know one person who sends me charts every day, and he is Nishchal. And I really, I really like that thing, that even though sometimes he make mistakes, but he sends me chart every day. So that's the thing I like about him. And and the basic thing is, everybody makes mistakes. So if you have any fear of, I'll be pointing out your mistakes in front of everybody, and you know you will feel embarrassed about that, just don't think like that. Trust me guys, just don't think like that. Because whenever you feel embarrassed, you you get something in you which will boost your motivation, and you always grow from that embarrassment. So yes, I also got embarrassed so many times when I when I lose some trades, but it really changed everything. So I would suggest and advise everyone out there on my streams, just start sending me charts. So because that will be the source of, that will be the, uh, that will become also a mode of communication here also, because if we talk with each other and share knowledge, then it will always helps everyone to grow here. But it's really up to you, and if someone just wants to grow, then start sending me charts. Otherwise, you will just ending up, depending upon someone else for your profits. And what if these streams just get stopped? What if that happens? Because if that happens, then I really don't think that anybody will be making some profits. So yeah, really up to you. Okay, so we got 3 minutes left here for the current 15-minute candle to close, and I really want this candle to close bullish, and then we can possibly take the sell trade on the next candle. So my bias is sells here. PS Gore is asking how may control emotion during trade. Big issue with most traders. That's a really nice question here by PS Gore, and I think that's This thing impacts really very much on a trader's performance in the market, because when you trade with emotions, you just gets attached with that trade. Suppose I just take a sell here, and I gets emotionally attached with the trades, like, no, I have took this sell. It's in the moving inside the sell channel. It's under the resistance. The 4R is also bearish. So these are the technical things which the market is showing us right now, right? But if I take a trade at that point, and if I get emotional, then what I'll be doing is, first of all, I may not give any stop loss. Why? Because I'm already emotionally attached with the trades. That trade is taken by me, so it has to go down. So people start to think like that. And when the market is moving to your stop losses, moving towards your stop losses, most of the traders, what they do is, they just remove the stop loss, and some traders just increase the stop loss by thinking that the market will reverse now. But no, that's really wrong case and really wrong thing to do. Just do not get emotional whenever you take a trade, right? You have nothing to do with any trade here. Even you lose, even you win, you have nothing to do with any trade. That trade is just a simple deal in the market. That's it. So why you are getting emotionally attached with your trades? You know, and this is the main reason why most of the people fail here, because when you get emotional, like, emotions are of many kinds here. Like, uh, whenever you lose a trade, suppose I take one trade here, and I lost that trade. So what will happen is, I will get angry with the market. I will get very angry with the market. So that's where I'm getting emotional. I don't have to get angry with the market. The market really don't knows me, and it really doesn't matter if I get angry with the market. If I get angry with the market because I lost one trade, then what the market has to do with that? You were on the wrong side. You made the wrong analysis, or maybe the probability was not there. So you don't have to get angry. You don't have to feel emotional about any trades, because it's just a deal. It's just one deal. Okay? So that's something really most of the traders really need to work on, because I used to get angry with the market when I lost trades earlier when I started trading. But so suddenly I realized that the market really doesn't care about my emotions, doesn't care about my deals, doesn't care about my trades, doesn't care about my results. Alright? So if I'm doing my part right, so just think of a robot. How computers are better than us? How? Because they are emotionless. They have a logic inside them, and they just work repeatedly on the same logic again and again. They perform uh, the the process again and again, repeatedly, same, like the same, right? So that's the difference. So that's the difference. You need to, adapt, and just don't get emotional with any trade. Don't get angry with the market. If you lost a trade, just go on that trade, go through that trade, and see why you lost that trade. That will improve you. Only that thing can improve you. And if I talk about how you can control, then it's really simple here. Let me just tell you. what you can do is you take one trade. If you lost that trade, take another trade. Okay, and if you lost that trade and you lost just two trades here, just turn your computer off, turn your laptop off, stop looking at the market, just stop doing anything in this market then. Okay, so by this, because if you will be staring at the market after you lost two trades, then trust me, you're gonna enter the third trade. You are gonna enter the third trade because you want to take revenge from the market. You want your lost money recovered from the market, and you want that at the same time. You won't be giving market or yourself to breathe some time, and you are not letting yourself to adjust according to what just happened with you. Okay, so if you do this, trust me guys, I still today also I do this thing. Whenever I win a trade, I just close everything. I close my terminals, I close this trading view, and I close everything. I start to do something else. I keep myself busy doing other things after trading. So every time I won a trade and I'm up for the day, and so I just leave everything from the market. I don't see any graph, any charts. Even though I take a trade, I just book 10 pips and market just went 100 pips after that. I really don't care about that because why I have to care about that? I just got my part. I won trade. I earned something. I am up in 10% of the world traders, because we all know that 90% of the traders just lose money, and these are the few reasons why those 90% lose money. Shibad Shibaditya Kumar is saying, "Sir, how to start trading?" Well, you need a trading account for that, and you need some funds to run that trading account. And if you are a new trader, then I'll just suggest you to go for the course by any mentor, by me, by or any other mentor you want. Just go take a course, take some mentorship, come on the streams daily to learn and earn at the same time. So yes, this is how you can start trading. If you want to set up account, then I can help you. You can message me on Telegram, you can contact us through website, and yeah, and Skype also, Instagram, Telegram, any source you can contact us, and we will be helping you to set up a trading account. Then we will be guiding you further. Plus obviously you can come to the streams, copy my trades, and start earning from that also. But just don't focus on copying my trades all the time. Just also give your attention on how I execute those trades, what things I do while executing the trades. So this is how you can start trading. Okay. Four-hour candle just retraced all the way back. That's a really good sign here, because now the market is going up. And the 15-minute candle, 5-minute also looks good. So the candle is rejecting the same resistance we were expecting it to reject, and it might just start to go down. Hello, Forex Secrets, how are you? No, no trades yet. Right now, just sitting here, relaxing, because today is Friday. I'm already up for the week, and I'm happy with the results, weekly results. So I'm just waiting, and you also know that I don't take trades just like that. I wait every time for the market to give me something which I want from the market. So I think soon it will be touching the upper trend line, and then it will be rejecting, then going down. So that kind of setup I want. Okay, so the candle is dropping here. Yeah, that's good. 2 minutes left here for the 15-minute candle to close, and let's see here. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is okay. Let's wait. Forex Secrets is saying, sir, can we get news trading robot now before the course ending so that we can trade the news with robot? It is full version free for course holders, right? Yes, it's the full version of the robot is free for the people of my course holders. So yeah, you can get that. Just do one thing, uh, on Telegram or somewhere, just drop your email, and I'll be sending you the full version of that robot. I'll also mention which for which platform you want, because yes, for the course holder it's absolutely free, and that too the full version of the robot. So earlier I decided to send that thing, send that robot, you know, after you end the course, but it's alright if I just send you before you end the course, because that will be good, that you will be earning through the news by trading the news, but just make sure that you use that robot after looking and reading out, looking at the manual of the robot. It's a YouTube video recorded, so you will be getting the link of that video when we will be sending you the robot. So yeah, because if you don't know how to use that robot and you just start trading the news with that, you might just end up losing money. So you really need to watch the video first to use that robot. And PS also, if you want the robot, you also want that robot full version, then just contact me and I'll be sending the robots to you. Okay, so I think 15-minute candle just closed bearish at this point. 30-minute candle also closed. Okay, 30-minute closed bullish. So what I'm gonna do is, if this current 30-minute candle breaks the low here, I'm gonna execute sell by keeping stop loss above the current 30-minute candle, and potential target will be this area, because at that point I will be knowing that the 4-hour candle will be stretching all the way down, so that will be giving me my Friday trade. So I'll wait for this candle to go all the way down. You are welcome. Okay, so this candle is going up now, 30-minute candle, creating a liquidity wick, I think, and it can fill the wick on the left. Walk in style. Hello, walk in style, how are you? But what kind of name this is? Maybe your channel name or something. Welcome to the streams. I think you just came here for the first time. $15 is respecting the low over here right now, and it's going up. So walk-in style is asking, yes sir. Okay, he's here for the first time. Okay, How to join your course? Also, do you manage accounts? Yes, we do manage account, and for account management, you can contact us through the website or Telegram or somewhere. You can contact us, and we'll be start to managing your account, and we will be guiding you with the process. Also, if you want to join the course, then what you can do is, let me just show you how you can join the course. You can just simply go to our website, which is globaltradelive.com. So the course process is really automated. So what you can do is, you can go to globaltradelive.com, you can go to courses, so right now we are doing lifetime membership here. Soon it will be becoming temporary membership. Temporary in the sense, few service will be there only on temporarily basis. So right now everything is for lifetime, and you will be having access to our course for the lifetime. So when you go to the courses here, this page will be opening here, and here's the price, $300. This is for lifetime, and here you can see what you will be getting in the course. These are few highlights from the course, but there are really more inside the course. So soon Discord channel will be starting, and the course holders will be moving to the Discord channel, and there they can interact with each other, and they can share analysis every day. And at the end of the course, we are giving News Trader EA full version, which is uh, kept at the cost of $100 on MetaTrader Market, and that's also our product. So you will be getting this for free. This will be full version, so there will be no limitations in the CA. You will be getting it for free. So these are the few things here you can go through, and once you go through, just click on buy it. Alright, so it's coming down. 30-minute is coming down here. Nice. So once you will click on buy it, then you can just fill in the details if you want to pay through PayPal. And once you fill in the details, just make sure that you fill all the details right, because when you pay through PayPal, you won't have to register here on the website. It will be automatically registered. You will be automatically registered, so just make sure you write everything correctly. Okay, and once you pay through PayPal, you will be getting everything on your email, so that you can log in and just have access to the course. And if you want to pay through debit or credit card, then this is the option over here. You can pay through that also. So we have kept every option available here, so you can pay through debit or credit card here. And if you pay through debit or credit card, then you need to just register on the website. So make sure you enter your full name, email, phone number same and correctly. Just fill in all the details correctly so that you can use them to access your course. If you face some problem, then we have this message option over here, or you can just contact us through Skype also, or emails also. So these are the options available. So this is how you can just buy the course. That's it. That's the option. Okay, so I hope that helps. Okay, thanks. I'll buy course today and contact you for account management also. Sure, sure. If you are messaging me right now, then I'll be replying after the streams. So just okay. So 30-minute candle is doing exactly the same as we want it to do, and if it breaks the low here, then I'm gonna execute the trade because the previous 30-minute candle uh, just retraced back, and now it should coming down. So that will be the good thing. Yeah. So let's just get ready here with the. So I'll just get ready at this point because anytime it can just break the low. Let's see here in 5 minutes. So this will be the execution point here. Yep. This will be the execution point, and if it's coming down here, then there is one thing over here which is happening. The angle, the trend line angle is getting aggressive right now. So it was this one, and now it's just changed. So if this cannot break this low over here, at that point I'm gonna execute this sell trade. Yes, that's for sure. Because then this 4-hour candle will be stretching all the way down. So I'll be just, yeah, that will be a really good trade, guys. Really good trade. Because look, the market break below this trend line and tested that area. Now the current 30-minute candle is going down. Yes. So just waiting here and see how it will be going. Because this is the target for 4 hour, 30 minutes looks good over here, coming down. So we have this clean range over here, and if it break this price 153.086, then it should be going down. Let's see. Really need some volume here to push the price down. So we are approaching to New York open over here, and in 15 minutes New York, there will be New York open. Okay, so 5 minute candle just closed bullish over here. Let's see. So soon the 30 minute candle maybe will breaking the low, and then I'm gonna execute the trade at that point, and it will be starts to move down. So I'm gonna only execute the sell trade once this 30 minute candle will break the previous 30 minute candle's low. So yeah, because the trend angle is now getting aggressive, so we might see big candles over here which will take the market down, and in the 4 hour over here the 4 hour will be moving all the way down. So once it starts to go down, then it can go down to 32 pips at least, because the market is leaving this area behind, and now the market is shifting from this area to this area. Plus this is a mirror move over here in the market. Look at this here. Look, this move went up, came down, went up, came down again. This move here is this move here. Now it's on this move, so it's coming down. So the mirror move is going on in the market in GJ. So yes, that's the thing here. Yeah, it's coming down now. Nice. I'm getting ready here with the trade. So still got 13 minutes left here for the market, for the 30 minute candle to close. Let me just adjust this here so that I can take the trade at the right time. Where is that? Click trading is enabled. Okay. Because this will be considered as a liquidity wick in the 30 minutes. Sorry. Yeah. So it should be going to break the low, and in the remaining 12 minutes basically, let's just see here. I really think that this 4 hour candle will be stretching all the way down, really all the way down, because still got 1 hour 12 minutes left here, and I think it should be going all the way down. So yes, let's see how much time is left for the news. 41 minutes left here. 41 minutes. Okay, so I think that taking the trades in GJ won't be it won't affect that. So yeah, I am gonna execute the trade at 153.086. Let's see. So this will be my first and last trade for the day, because if this happens then it's good, and if I lose this trade then I'll just call it a day, because today is Friday. I'm really, oh, it's now going down here. It's really going down, showing some volume. So I'm gonna execute the trade. Let me just stretch this trend line here. Yeah, so if it breaks this price, then we will be having around 7-8 pips room for managing the trade, because if it breaks this price over here, then it should be tapping the lower trend line, and with volume it can break this trend line also and go all the way down. So yeah, so I'm just waiting here. Yeah, I think once it breaks this low, this will be the second target, first target, and once it breaks this low, this will be the second target. But for that, it really needs to break the low. Technique with the analytic. 1 hour closes in 9 minutes. Could be delicate situation. Let's see here. Okay, so this thing you're talking about. The thing is, I am expecting if this current 30-minute candle breaks the low over here, then only I'm gonna execute the trade. Well, that means in the 1 hour, the 1 hour candle, it will be reversing back and going down, right? So, and if this 1 hour candle closes below this trend line over here, then the next 1 hour candle will be, taking its resistance from the trend line and will be starting to go down. So we will be already in the early entry here, so we will be having room left for managing the trade and for to make profits also. Plus the 4 hour candle will be stretching all the way down, so that's the case here, because 4 hour candle should be tapping 152.805 area soon, because now it's moving away from 153.703 level and it should be tapping this area now, because its target is this. Because look, it went up, created a fake out, came down, retraced back, rejected this area, so now it's coming down. So that's the case here. Plus if we talk about the 5 minutes here also, then it's moving inside the channel and the trend angle is now getting aggressive. It was this earlier and now it's shifting. So I see every time that whenever the trend angle shifts, the market behaves aggressive, and once it crosses this blue line, which is at 153.086, that will be my trade execution point. So once the market break that level, then it should move at least 7-8 pips down. So once it starts to move 7-8 pips down and reaching the support over here, so support will be attracting the market to tap it and then go down. So that's the whole idea here behind this trade. So in the last 7 minutes here, it can really make its move happening. So yeah, it just broke the low over here, broke the low at this point. I have executed this trade over here and it can now go down. So this is the execution point and my stops will be above these two candles, and yeah, actually my stops will be above current 30-minute candle here. Yeah, so with time I'm gonna manage the stops also, and I think with volume it can really push down because it has room left here with the trend line, and let's see what happens. So in the last 5 minutes here, it can push down to this level first, because right now it's rejecting this trend line here, and with volume it can really push down. It just broke this low over here. Let's see. So after 4 minutes there will be NY open, and NY open can push the price really down. Let's see the 15 minutes over here. Yeah, 15 minutes is struggling here actually. So I think what I can do is I can close half once the 15-minute candle reverses back. So yeah, but I really think that market will be going down. It should be creating a liquidity wick, then it might just go down. So it really needs to stay below this area over here, and if it stays below this area then it can really go down. Let's see 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour is just broke this low over here from the left. Yeah, it should continue moving down, I think. If not, then it's alright. We'll be managing the risk here. The way it's moving up, it's really not good at this point. So got 1 minute left here for 30-minute candle to close and 1 hour candle to close, and I think let's see here. If 1 hour candle closes like this, then the next 1 hour candle can wake up and break the low over here and starts to go down, which will be taking 4 hour candle all the way down. "40 seconds remaining here." Basically this upper trend line will be protecting us and will be guiding us whether the market will be going down or not. Yeah, it should stay below that zone. 20 seconds remaining here. So if this candle closes bullish and the next candle starts to break this break the low of this current 5-minute candle, then it should go down. 4 seconds remaining here. Oh, it just closed above that area. Now NY volume will be coming in, and let's see how the market will be reacting to this level. All right. Mohammed Roshan Sheikh, if is NFP releasing going to affect GJ in anyways? Yeah, it will, but not much. So that's why I took this trade. Yeah, with the NY volume push, it can really push down. So once this 1 hour candle breaks this low over here, then it's going down. It's going really down. But for that, it really needs to break this low over here, and that too soon, because if it starts to go up, then it can retrace back and hit our stop loss. Really need a big candle here which breaks this low over here. Oh, it's rejecting that price. Really need this candle to go all the way down. Because once it starts to go and break this lows over here, then I really don't think anything can be stopping GBPJPY from going down, and we will be witnessing good down move at that point. And once the market will be breaking this price over here, it will be moving further down. Just need a push here. Just need a volumetric push at this point. That's it. Let's see, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes, yes, 30 minutes can go down. The way it closed, it can go down. It's going down, I think, yes. 50 seconds remaining here. I just want 1 hour candle to break the low. I really want this candle to break this low over here, and then we will be seeing a big candle forming, which can give us easily 20 pips at least. 30 seconds remaining. I really want this candle to stay below this price over here, 153.119. Yeah, it's rejecting that area. It just closed at that area. If this 5-minute candle respects the high of the previous candle and break the low, then the chances of going, yes, it just broke the low here. That means 1 hour candle will be, yes, it's about to break the low also. I just want 1 hour candle to break the low and everything will be done. Oh, it rejected. Look, it just came so close to the low and it rejected. Three minutes still remaining here. I really want a volumetric push here in this candle. Actually, it's just stuck at the very wrong price at this point. 15-minute candle here. Really stuck at the wrong price at this point. So what I'm gonna do here is, if the market breaks the high here of the previous 5-minute candle, then I'm gonna close half of the trade. Because I need to manage my risk as well also. And I think at any time we can break the high here. I just close half of the trade at this point. But don't worry, I'm gonna add the positions back also once the market starts to go my way. So it broke the low, it broke the high of the previous candle. That means the market is really stuck at this point. I don't know whether to go up, whether to go down. Really. Yeah, 15 minutes starts to move up. 30 minutes also, 1 hour also. I'm gonna close another half once the 15-minute candle breaks the high of the previous 15-minute candles. I just closed another half here. Let's see how the market is reacting to the trend line. Okay, so this candle just closed outside the trend line over here, and that's really not a good sign. So now it's creating higher highs and higher lows. Now at this point we can just manage the risk. We have already reduced the risk here, and yeah, that's it. That's the only thing we can do right now. So my plan is, let's see here, in the 1 hour, if this 1 hour candle break this low, I'm gonna add the positions back. All the positions I removed from the market, I'm gonna add those back. So yes, so my execution price for adding the positions back will be 153.079, because now if it starts to cross that price, it will be going down for sure, because it has already played its part. If it's just, when we're going up for the stop loss hunting or something like that, it just played its part. Still got 3 minutes here, but for that thing really need some volume to come in. $18 left here for non-farm payrolls. So 153.079 will be the price. So we took off around 37 cents, 0.37. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this 37-cent trade once it breaks this price over here. And if this becomes a fake out, then it will be great. Oh, it's moving up. It's moving up right now. So I think if this candle breaks the previous candle high, I'm gonna close another half here. So this is 5 minutes. I'm managing the risk in 5 minutes here. It's going up. 1 minute left here. Oh. I have closed another half right now. Another half I have closed here. I'm gonna close another half. If it's, crosses the high from the left. Okay, so candle closed here. 15-minute candle closed with no wick. Let's see. Still got a small position running here. So now if this 15-minute candle break its own high, I'm gonna close another 50%. But if it's come back to the execution point, which is at 153.079, I'm gonna add all the positions back, and I'm gonna hold for 20 pips at least. Let's see how much time we got here for the 4 hour. 4 hour candle is still got 40 not 40 minutes here. 40 minutes here. And I think soon the price will be entering our area. One minute left here. Yeah, I think this 1 hour candle is creating a liquidity wick over here, and it should be breaking the low soon. If that doesn't happen, then I'm ready for that also. Already managed risk here. In 10 minutes we are gonna have an FP here. Okay, so this candle closed bearish over here. 3 big news in 10 minutes. Yes, that's right. 3 big news is coming in 10 minutes. Okay, so if this current 5-minute candle breaks the high, I'm gonna close half at that point also. But if it starts to go down and break this price over here, I'm gonna add this position back. That will be giving my trade a second chance. Oh, it's moving up. I'm ready. I closed another half at this point. Now I have just 2 cent lot running here. So I'll let the I'll let this lot run, and now I'll just wait here. So 8 minutes, still got 8 minutes. I'm gonna add all the positions back. Okay. So yeah, it just went up, but we already managed the risk here. So I lost around $40 here, where I was losing around $55. I lost just $40 in this trade. So 8 pips. I just lost 8 pips here. Lost 8 pips. Yes. So let's see. Let's see how the market will be reacting to the price levels over here. I was really expecting the 4-hour candle in GJ to go all the way down, but it rejected. Now it's about to close in 30 minutes. So currently the spread in GJ is 1 point. Oh, the market is coming inside the trend lines again. Let's see. 1-hour candle is still respecting the previous 1-hour candle's high, but once that this 1-hour candle breaks the previous 1-hour candle high, okay, I think it just broke the high. Yes. Now it can go really up. Yeah, it can really go up now. So got 4 minutes left here for the news is also. Why close you half every time? This magic key trick also should be in course. Yeah, but that's only for the magic keys holders. So that's it. Actually, every time I get any chance of closing the trade, and when the market actually the thing is, when the market is going opposite to us, we internally we know that thing, but most of the traders what they do is they just sit and do nothing, and I just close every time I get a chance of minimizing the risk. So I minimized the overall risk when I close 50% in the first closing half when the market goes opposite to me, and after that I close every time 50% when I get the chance. And this is just this is not a trick. It's just, you know, it's just how I like to close the trade in loss. That's it. So if someone wants to close like 60% every time, he can close 60%. I personally like to close 50%. Okay, so let's see here. 2 minutes left. I'm not trading the news. I'll just sit and relax. But let's just use the robot to trade the news. Let's just use this robot over here. Yeah, I'm gonna use this robot here. Let's just see. GBPUSD. Yeah, I'm gonna use the robot in GBPUSD. So I should turn it on. 5-minute graph. 15-minute looks good. Stop loss will be 6 pips. Take profit. Break even pips. Trade size. Max spread. Slippage. Not 10 pips. 5 pips is good. Okay. Okay, few seconds remaining here. I'm gonna turn on this and let's see. Oh, look at GJ here. GJ is also coming down. News has came in. It's going up, going up, going up. Oh, it just hit the stop loss. Let's see here. So nothing much happened. Nothing much. So news trader EA just saved me. Let's just close this. So now GBPJPY. If we talk about GBPJPY here, it's really moving up right now. But I don't know. I still think that GJ should be going down to, you know, to complete this leg over here. So I'll still wait for the market to reverse all the way back, and because I'm in a selling bias here, so even if it's going up, then it's all right. It's really all right. Yes, that's true. Just click and manage trade. Okay, GJ is going up. But I'll stay out of this trade here because I still think GJ will be going down. I don't know why it's going up, but I still think that it should be going down. And once it breaks this level over here, 153.076, I'm gonna execute the trade. But if it goes opposite to me and it starts as it's going up right now, it's alright. It's absolutely fine right now. Oh, it just went up. Look at the 1 hour candle here. Four-hour candle also reversed all the way back. Oh, look at this move over here. Nice. I don't know why, but I still think that it will be going down. Because this going up is kind of, fishy. Something is not right here. But okay, it's fine. The news maybe. Yeah, US just came out to be better. Better, that means let's see here. The news just came out to be better, and USD pairs are moving opposite. USD pair should be moving, like GBPUSD should be moving downside, and it's moving up. Euro USD is also moving up. I really don't know why. Anyways, so I think I'll just call it a day here, and yeah, that's it. So this was one trade, took here, lost around 3.94, you can say 4%, and I'm just calling it a day. So let's see how my week goes here. And from 28, it's still good. So it's still good at this point. still at 17.5% here for the week. So I think that's pretty good here, pretty good thing over here, and I did managed everything really well. So and let's meet on Monday, new week. So yes, take care everybody. Enjoy the weekend and just do not overtrade, and just make sure you just stay safe, and do not just overtrade, do not over risk, because if you do that, so you won't be having any money left to trade next week. So I'm just signing off, and take care everyone. Thank you for being online with me.